guy Jamo. We're back with another episode of Watch Jamo Cook. Today, we're making my version of the pasta Mardi Gras. So we got some green onion. We got some red bell pepper and green bell pepper sliced thin, right? We got some Roma tomatoes. I got 6 of these. I sliced them up. And we got some crawfish, all right? That's a 12-ounce bag. And then we have a whole thing of garlic chopped up. We got a half an onion, all right, chop that up. We got some salt, some pepper. We got my favorite pasta. This is a linguine pasta, but you also can get the fettuccine if you want the wider noodles. Then we got Parmesan cheese. We got 5 shrimp right here. All right, stick of butter. These are my favorite shrimp. These are the Gulf shrimp. And what I did was, you take a knife, you make 2 slits, one about right there, and one about here. All right, not too deep, just a little bit, because you don't want to cut all the way through. But what this does is, when you're grilling your shrimp, or when you're cooking your shrimp, they don't fold up and curl up too much. All right, so 2 small slits, not too deep. And we're gonna throw these in a bowl. Season these up with some Old Bay. Give them a little toss. And what I did with these was, I left the tail on, all right? Pretty much just for like the presentation. Let these chill right here. All right, so I got my stove on medium heat. I'm gonna use olive oil. All right, so I'm gonna use some olive oil. Then we're gonna use a half a stick of butter. Let that melt down a little bit. Take my cast iron skillet. I got the small boy today. Put him over here. So, y'all like Cajun food, you know, I mean, it's a great dish. I got some Cajun seasoning right here. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. I mean, you can add mushrooms. You can do it with crab meat. You can use andouille sausage, you know. There's so many ways you could do it, but my version is with the crawfish, with the shrimp, with the tomatoes. And what I do is I make a cream sauce. All right, so we're gonna take our onions, throw them in the skillet. Get those going. So like I said, we got the butter in there. And we got the olive oil. Just a little bit of salt, not too much. Break those onions down. A little bit of pepper. Now we're gonna add our bell peppers. Like I said, we got red, we got green. We're gonna throw these up in there. Smelling good, y'all. Let that go for a minute. Now what we're gonna do is, we'll cook our shrimp. Olive oil. Real kind of butter. I'll be crazy with the butter, but I'm tilting it, not too much butter. We'll heat that up, about medium heat. We'll grab a clove of garlic. Smash it down, get the skin off just like that. Leave this thing whole. Let's go with the shrimp. Let that garlic flavor your oil and your butter, you know. And all them flavors gonna go crazy together. And the garlic smelling good. Got our shrimp. Lay these babies up in here like this. Oh yeah. Everything looking good, smelling good. Now we got our tomatoes up in here. Tomatoes going, shrimp smelling good. Start think. We're gonna go about 2 minutes each side. We're gonna flip them over. All right, so we got that going. We're gonna add the crawfish last because the crawfish already cooked, right? When you buy the crawfish, they already cooked. So you're gonna just warm them up a little bit. Those go in last. My shrimp over, he smells so good, y'all. Man, it's smelling good. Check this out. Oh yeah. Water in your mouth. All right, just a little stir over here. Add our garlic in. A lot of garlic, y'all. That's that flavor right there. Add that garlic in. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That's our shrimp about done. Crazy. Yep, gonna take these out, let these chill. All right, look at that. Crazy. Now we're gonna add in the heavy whipping cream. It's gonna thicken our sauce up, make it real creamy. So about a half of this should do. You can always add more. Bring your fire up a little bit. Bring the sauce down to like a low boil, right? Or like a simmer. Take it down some, like medium-low heat. And with those tomatoes, what it's gonna do is it's gonna help thicken that sauce up. So bring it down, be patient, don't rush it. So now we got the water for our pasta. So we're gonna bring that to a boil. And like with this pasta, it cooks so fast, man. Say ready in 2 minutes. So bring the water to a boil, throw the pasta in, 2 minutes, take it out, and we're gonna put it all together. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to my water. That way my pasta don't stick, all right? A little oil to the water, bring that thing to a boil. Stir my sauce up. Turn the heat down a little bit more because you don't want it to boil, you want it like a low simmer. Grab our Cajun seasoning. Just like this. Little low bubbles like that, little simmer. Break those tomatoes down, break those bell peppers down. And like with the simmering, what it does is, it makes the sauce thicken up. So that's why you gotta be patient and let it ride like that. Take your time with it. Now I got my water boiling right here. Throw that pasta up in there. What you wanna do is, when you put it in, immediately stir it up because you don't want it to stick. I'm gonna break this pasta up. Like I said, it's going for like 2 minutes, so it don't take long. It's a little bit of salt, not too much. So let that rock like that for 2 minutes. Check on our sauce, still simmer. It's getting thicker, y'all see that? Tomatoes breaking down, starting to thicken up. Add a little bit more of this Cajun seasoning up in here. Let me get some more of that up in there. Some spice to it. Sauce looking good, thickening up nice. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of that lemon zest. You know how I love the lemon zest. Layers of flavor. Hit it with the lemon zest. Not too much. Just give it a little bit of lemon flavor. All right, so it's been 2 minutes. Our pasta done. Grab this pasta over here. Pasta chill right there. All right, so everything looking good, smelling good. Take you a lemon. Hold the seeds back. All right, just add a little bit more heat. red pepper. Just a dash of thyme, just a little bit, not much. A little bit of dried thyme. All right, so we almost there, thickening up. Y'all see that? Started thickening up a little bit. Give it about 5 more minutes. I'm ready to rock and roll. All right, last but not least, we're gonna add in our crawfish, all right? Add these in, and like, don't forget, you want all this juice. That's the fat. You want all that, that's flavor. So don't strain your crawfish. Whatever you do not strain your crawfish. Leave all that up in there, that's flavor right there. Stir this in. Like I said earlier, the crawfish, they're already done. They're already cooked, you know, so let these go for like about 3 minutes after they get in your sauce. All right, so our sauce looking good. And check this out. See how you kind of like drag it and you can see the bottom of the skillet? That's when you know your sauce is thickening up. You can drag it, you see the bottom of the skillet. Because you don't want your sauce too thick, because don't forget, when you add your pasta, it's gonna soak up most of that sauce, so don't make it too thick. You want it nice and creamy, just like how I said. Now we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. The last thing to go up in there. Parmesan cheese, not too much. Stir that in. Now we're gonna plate it on up, baby. We're gonna plate this thing up. So like I said, I love this pasta. It's fresh. This right here is so fresh, man. So I added my shrimp back to the sauce. It's already off the fire. All right, so what y'all think? Plated it up. Got the pasta, the sauce with the crawfish, a little bit more Parmesan, a little bit more green onion. Hit it like that. And then you know what I like to do? A little bit more of that Cajun seasoning. Like that right there. Check it out. Got the pasta, crawfish. It's crazy, I already know. Parmesan cheese, green onions. It's crazy. The shrimp. Y'all gotta try this one. Watch Jamo cook. Holler at me in the comments. Any questions? Hit the subscribe button, man. Also, the little bell, notification bell, hit that because I'm uploading videos like every 3 or 4 days. All right, see y'all on the next one.